Julia's Child's Kitchen. How have you been? Compliments of the seasons to you. I hope you are doing great. Good. Today I'm going to be making gingerbread cookies, and these are the ingredients I'm going to be using. This is 4.5 cup of all-purpose flour. This is 1 cup of butter, unsalted butter. This is 1 cup of brown sugar. This is my molasses, egg, a pinch of salt, and a pinch of baking soda. Here in this bowl I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger powder. Here in this bowl I have 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, 1.5 teaspoon of ginger powder, half teaspoon of clove powder, and half teaspoon of nutmeg powder. Now let's get started with the making of our gingerbread cookies. Okay, first we are going to be putting the butter into the bowl of our mixer, and we are going to mix it for 10 minutes. So the next thing, I'm going to be adding the brown sugar into it, then I'm going to be mixing it. Now I'm going to be adding the egg. Then I'm going to be mixing it. Then I'm going to be adding the molasses. Now that all the wet ingredients are well mixed, now I'm going to be adding the dry ingredients: the cinnamon, the ginger powder, the nutmeg powder, and the clove powder. Then I'm going to be mixing it. So lastly, I'm going to be adding the flour. Then I'm going to be mixing it together. So I'm going to be wrapping the dough into a cling film, and I'm going to be leaving it in the fridge for 30 minutes. So I'm taking the doughs into the fridge. See you later. Welcome back, guys. So this is my gingerbread dough. I am ready to roll it and to cut it to make gingerbread cookies. Okay. It's very big because I'm going to make a lot of gingerbread cookies. Then I'm going to wrap the remaining part with the cling film and keep it aside. To prevent the dough from sticking to your surface, you can sprinkle some powder, some flour, on the surface before you start rolling it out. Then I'm going to start by cutting a gingerbread man. This is it. And this is a cutie gingerbread man girlfriend. So I'm going to be cutting it also. This is a gingerbread man. And this is a Then I'm going to repeat the cutting until I finish cutting all the dough. Now I'm going to remove all the excesses. Then after, I'll be putting them on my baking tray. Wow, these are so good. Then I'm going to be placing it on the baking tray. So guys, I'm done cutting the gingerbread cookie, and I'm going to be sending it into the oven, and I'm going to be baking for 20 minutes. Keep your fingers crossed, guys. See you very soon.